What's up, guys? This is Nick from Revolutions PM here. Just assembling this Ford 331. It's actually going to be a boosted engine. We're going to run a turbo on here. Not sure the PSI, but just wanted to give you guys a quick little tutorial on how to check Endplay. So you want to get your dial indicator mounted to the side of the block. Get it as square as possible onto the crank. Just like that. Now you want to take a small pry bar or screwdriver, and you're going to go back and forth with it, kind of like this. Now, if you watch the gauge, we're currently at 0, and this reads at the 5 10,000 increments. So I move it, and now we are reading about 6 thousandths, which is in spec for this engine. And if you need to open up that clearance, you got to take the bearing out, the whole thrust bearing, and shave it down on the front side of the bearing until you can get your measurement within specification. And there you go. Like, comment, subscribe.